Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, DepEd, Eastern Visayas Region 8, Schools, Division of Eastern Samar, Matarinaw School of Fisheries, Matarinaw, Salcedo Eastern Samar. Certificate of Appreciation is proudly awarded to Rina Rose A. Padrigi for being the most valuable player in Sipak Takraw, whose talent significantly impacted the team's success and motivated other athletes to achieve their best performance. Given the straight line day of May 2024 at Matarinaw School of Fisheries, Matarinaw, Salcedo Eastern Samar, signed by Casiano K. Luis Flores, the Assistant School Principal 2, and Peter Pogida, the school head, and Andres E. Gabon, the district in charge. Congratulations.